created this channel as a safe space, a place to breathe, release stress, and find comfort when life feels overwhelming. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, depression, or just the everyday weight of the world, you're not alone here. Each meditation is made with care to support your healing, your peace, and your resilience. If today's practice speaks to you, I invite you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll always have a moment of calm waiting for you when you need it. Thank you so much. Find a position that feels comfortable for you now. Close your eyes and let your body be supported. Take a slow, steady breath in through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. With your next inhale, invite calm into your body. And with your exhale, allow tension to release. Soften your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Let your hands rest easily where they are. Feel your body growing a little heavier with each breath. More present, more at ease. You are safe, you are here, and your heart is ready to be cared for. Bring your awareness to your chest, to the rhythm of your heart beating steadily. It carries you even when it feels heavy, even when it aches. Perhaps you are here because something has shifted. A loss, a change, a goodbye. Your heart may feel raw, tender, or even fractured. For a moment, simply honor that truth. Say silently to yourself, yes, I am living with a broken heart. And even here, I am still whole. Even here, I am still alive. Let a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Become your acknowledgement of both your pain and your resilience. Now imagine before you rests a globe, a round map of the world. It spins gently, waiting for your touch. Place your fingertips upon its surface. Close your eyes in your imagination and whisper this question to yourself. Where can I learn to care for my broken heart? Take a slow, steady inhale. And as you exhale, allow your finger to drift across the globe. Let it pause where it wishes to stop. When you open your inner eyes, you see your finger resting on Japan. And in that instant, everything begins to shift. The globe in your lap fades away. The air changes, filled with the faint scent of cedar and tea. You glance up, and suddenly you are no longer where you began. Before you sits an elder at a low wooden table. Fragments of a broken clay bowl are scattered across its surface. The elder's presence feels calm, steady, and knowing, as though they have been waiting for you. You do not question how you arrived here. Instead, you feel at ease, safe in their company. The elder looks at you kindly and begins to speak. In Japan, we have an art called kintsugi, which means golden joinery. Centuries ago, when a treasured tea bowl was broken, it was not discarded. Instead, each piece was carefully gathered. A special lacquer, powdered with gold, was brushed along the cracks, joining the fragments back together. The bowl was not restored to its old perfection. It became something more beautiful, more valuable for having been broken and repaired. The fractures were not hidden. They became shining veins of gold, visible reminders of both fragility and resilience. This is the way we honor what has been broken. We do not erase the past, we illuminate it. As the elder speaks, you see their hands moving gently, applying gold to the jagged edges of the clay shards. Piece by piece, the bowl begins to reform, its cracks glowing like rivers of light. Now the elder looks into your eyes and gestures towards your chest. And in that moment, you understand. Your heart is like this bowl. You actually see it resting on the table before you, scattered in fragments. Each piece holds a part of your story. Love you have given, grief you have carried, moments you thought that you could not survive. The elder brushes golden lacquer along the edges of these fragments. One by one, the pieces begin to join back together. Slowly, your heart reforms, not as it once was, but as something new. The cracks remain, yet each one shines with gold. This is your kintsugi heart, not broken beyond repair, but made luminous through healing. Your scars have become your strength. Your brokenness has become your beauty. Bring your awareness now back to your own body. Place your hands gently over your heart. Feel its steady rhythm beneath your palms. And as you inhale, imagine drawing golden light into your heart. As you exhale, see that light flowing into the cracks, sealing them with warmth and brilliance. With each breath, the glow grows stronger until your heart shines like the repaired bowl, every fracture filled with veins of gold. Whisper silently to yourself, "My heart carries its scars with honor. My healing makes me radiant. I am more whole, more beautiful, more alive than before." The Elder's workshop begins to fade, yet the golden heart remains within you. You feel yourself returning to the present moment, still carrying the teaching of kintsugi. Take a slow breath and notice your body, supported and steady. Notice your heart, still tender, but glowing, alive, and remade. And remember this truth: you are not less because you have been broken. You are more because you have survived. Like the golden seams of the repaired bowl, your cracks do not diminish you. They are the very lines that make you precious. Take one more deep inhale and a full releasing exhale. And when you are ready, allow your eyes to open. Return to your day carrying this image of your kintsugi heart. Stronger, brighter, and more beautiful for all it has endured.